Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack. Today I'm going to show you a new product that's super easy to install. You can get this color matched and it'll completely change the look of your Batwing fairing motorcycle. So as long as you have a Street Glide, Ultra, whatever that is the Batwing fairing, you can install this. Today we're going to be changing out the Batwing Fairing Skirt. Now this will fit the 2014 newer, but not the 13 and older. This is made from ABS plastic. It does have our Advanblack logo stamped on the back side, so you know it's from us. Now you can get this color matched to your bike, or if, like, say we have this Road Glide over here that we completely blacked out. We had a hard time finding a black one of these to go on there. So you can just get this color matched black, and maybe if you're blacking out your bike, this would be a viable option. But like I said, we've got the Zephyr Blue color matched one here. Like I said, it's just a couple of bolts, so we're gonna get the camera over here. We're gonna get this thing installed. The first thing I want you to do is protect your front fender. Get a towel or blanket or something over your front fender, because we will be working down here over it. If you drop this piece, you don't want to hit the fender. We're going to take a 1/2 inch wrench. We've got an acorn nut here and an acorn nut here to remove this blinker assembly. So we're just going to loosen these. We're going to gently pull the blinker assembly away from the bike. There is a wire and a connector back here. As you can see right here, we've got a connector. We're just going to push this in and release that. Now from there, we're going to grab a 9/16 deep well socket. We're going to take out this bolt right here. Repeat that process on the other side. Now from there, you're going to have a fairing screw here, and you're going to have a fairing screw right down here. We're going to take those out. We're going to leave the windshield screws in, so that's going to hold the fairing on. All we need to do is just be able to pull this bottom of this fairing out just a little bit. There's no need to take this entire fairing off to do this. Long one in the top, short one in the bottom. We're going to repeat that process on the other side. Now with those 4 screws out, we can pull out on the fairing, but it's going to stay on the bike because the 3 windshield screws are still in. So once we have these 2 bolts out at the bottom, we can pull out on this fairing. We can pull this up forward and then tilt it and bring it right out. Going to take our new one. So we're going to make sure that these 2 pieces go to the outside. We're going to slide this in at an angle just like we took it off. We're going to come in at an angle. We're going to pull out on the fairing, lift up, set that fairing right back into place. Our holes should be lined up. We can take our bolt, do that on both sides. Just go ahead and get it started. We can come back around here and start our fairing bolts back. Remember, long one in the top, short one in the bottom. Repeat that process on the other side. So then all we have to do is tighten this bolt down. We'll take our blinker, plug it back in. Make sure you listen for the click when you plug this in. Put your turn signal back on. Make sure that your wire is not poking out the front side or the rear side. If it's poking out and you put these acorn nuts on, you tighten it down, chances are you're going to cut that wire right in half. So just make sure that they're tucked behind the chrome. So that's it. Like I said, super easy install, completely changes the way the front of that bike looks. And you just don't see those color matched very often. They're usually chrome or they're black unless it has a custom paint job on it. So it just makes your bike a little bit more unique and stands out against the crowd. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, you know the deal. I'll leave a link down in the description down below. If you have any questions on this install, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to get myself out of here and get back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe. Keep your knees in the breeze.